The next topic is importance of organizing. We understood that's a process and what are the steps and define it. Performance of the organizing function can pave the way for a smooth transition of the enterprise in accordance with the dynamic business environment. The significance of the organizing function mainly arises from the fact that it helps in the survival and growth of an enterprise and equips it to meet various challenges. So, there are points to highlight the crucial role that organizing plays in any business enterprise. First of all, benefits of specialization. First point. Organizing leads to a systematic allocation of jobs among us the workforce. This reduces the workload as well as enhances productivity because of the specific workers performing a specific job on a regular basis. Repetitive performance of a particular task follows a worker to gain experience in that area and leads to specialization. Secondly, clarity in working relationships. Clarity in working relationships. Second one, please underline and explain that. The establishment of working relationships clarifies lines of communication and specifies who is to report to whom. This removes ambiguity in transferring information and instructions. It helps in creating a hierarchical order. Hierarchical order, enabling the fixation of responsibility and specification of the extent of authority to be exercised by an individual. The third point is optimum utilization. Please note it down. Maximum utilization of resource. Organizing leads to the proper usage of all material, financial and human resources. The proper assignment of jobs avoids overlapping of work and also makes possible the best use of resources. Avoidance of duplication work helps in preventing confusion and minimizing the wastage. Fourthly, adaptation to change. The process of organizing allows a business enterprise to accommodate changes in the business environment. It allows organization structure to be suitably modified and the revision of interrelationships among us managerial levels to pave the way for a smooth transition. It also provides much needed stability to the enterprise as it can then continue to survive and grow in spite of changes. Fifth point is effective administration. Organizing provides a clear description of jobs and related duties. This helps to avoid confusion and duplication. Clarity in working relationships enables a proper execution of work. Management of an enterprise thereby becomes easy and this brings effectiveness in administration. Sixth point is development of personnel. Organizing stimulates creativity among managers. Creativity. Effective delegation allows the managers to reduce their workload by assigning routine jobs to their subordinates. The reduction in workload by delegation is not just necessary because of limited capacity of individual but also allows the manager to develop new methods and ways of performing tasks. It gives them the time to explore areas of growth and the opportunity to innovate, thereby strengthening the company's competitive position. Delegation develops in the subordinate the ability to deal effectively with the challenges and helps them to realize their full potential. Seventh point, organizing leads to expansion and growth of the firm. Organizing helps in the growth and diversification of enterprise by enabling it to deviate from existing norms and taking up new challenges. It allows a business enterprise to add more job positions, departments, and even diversify their product lines. New geographical territories can be added to current areas of operation, and this will help to increase customer base, sales, and profit. Thus, organizing is a process by which manager brings order out of confusion or chaos, removes conflict among people over work or responsibility, sharing and creates an environment suitable for teamwork. So we are getting a good question. What is organizing, and tell me what is the importance of organizing. Organizing is what? Already learned from the previous topic, organizing definition, and the importance of significance. All the steps must be explained. Importance of organizing. Say 5 marks question. Please learn it thoroughly. Okay, thank you. Take care.